Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing some spring and Easter easy DIY home decor ideas. I'm just going to quickly preface this video with saying most of these ideas are pretty simple and it's nothing super groundbreaking or anything like that. If you guys want more details on the items that I'm using in this video, I will have my spring haul linked below. So the first project I'm going to work on here is making some speckled Easter eggs. I picked up this little pouch of eggs for around $3 and I just wanted to add some speckling to them. These eggs were legitimately the most annoying thing. They would not stop rolling around, and getting them to sit still for me to paint them was seriously a hassle. I used a mixture of a watered down charcoal craft paint, and I am just lightly tapping my finger on the brush to do this splatter effect. And here's how they turned out. I am really happy with these. I think they look really good. And honestly, I just think placing these eggs in a simple bowl looks so classy and nice. I think this is some really good decor for people who don't like anything too flashy. It just looks super classy and simple. Here's the same bowl filled with the Dollar Tree eggs. These are the pastel color ones. I think this looks really nice for a pop of color. And for another idea of displaying these eggs would be in an apothecary jar. I'm just adding some Spanish moss into the bottom of my jar and placing the eggs inside. And again, this is something super simple that I think looks really classy and elegant. And then I swapped one of my eggs out for a pop of color with one of the Dollar Tree eggs, and I think this looks super cute. Next, I'm going to be doing a display with this bird cage I picked up. I am just placing some Spanish moss in the bottom. I found this little bird's nest at a craft store. Of course, you could make your own bird's nest. And then I'm just placing some of my speckled eggs in the nest. Then I'm just tying a basic bow on the top of the cage. And then I have these Dollar Tree butterflies. They did have wires on the back of them that I originally tried to wrap around the cage, but one of them snapped off, so I just decided to hot glue them instead. I really wished I had a faux bird to put in here, but I did not have one on hand, but that would also look super cute in this little display. But overall, I'm really happy how this turned out. I think it'll be a really nice piece to use in some vignettes. In this next project, I'm just going to make a simple spring bouquet arrangement. I'm just putting some of these faux peonies in a mason jar. Then I have some faux eucalyptus here that I am going to put into the center of my arrangement. Then I have some of these cute little pastel Easter egg picks that I am also putting among the eucalyptus. Then I have this cute little bunny pick, and I ended up pulling off the pink bow because I wanted to do something different. So I just made a different little bow for him or her and glued that on. Because I wanted to hide the wires from the flowers and I didn't want to paint this jar. Since it is one I like to use frequently, I took this big thick ribbon and just glued it around for coverage. Then I added some more of this gingham ribbon for extra detail. I seriously love this arrangement. I think it came out so cute. However, I feel like it didn't translate super well in this video. It looks way better in person, but what can you do? Next one is very simple. I'm just taking this flowers and garden bucket I got at the Dollar Tree and filling it up with some faux tulips. The wire stems were significantly longer than I wanted them, so I just bent them to the correct height. I know this is a really basic idea, but I think it really packs a punch. I love how full it looks and definitely takes this Dollar Tree find up a few notches. Alright, and next up I have this Happy Easter sign that I picked up from a craft store for around $4, and I am going to make this over. So first I am just going to pry off the bunny and pull the bow off. Then I painted the rabbit with just some basic white craft paint. I would have just brought this outside and given it a coat of spray paint, but it's too cold. The base plaque I originally started to paint blue, then I remembered I had this drawer liner from the Dollar Tree that I absolutely love and hadn't used yet, so I thought it would be perfect for this project. So I just traced and cut out a big piece from the roll. I am seriously in love with this floral toil pattern. I think it is so beautiful and it is definitely my style. Then I just trimmed off the excess paper. I had this Kate Spade bag sitting around. I felt kind of bad about cutting it up, but I wanted the bunny to pop on the background. So I just traced a little bit bigger of an outline around the bunny and then cut that out. Then I just Mod Podged this onto my plaque. Then I hot glued my wood bunny on top of the teal paper. Then I just tied a super simple bow with this striped ribbon and glued it on, and that completed my project. And I'm so glad I decided to grab that cheapy plaque, but I think it's great when someone can go shopping and think outside the box of what a product is and turn it into something completely custom, especially when you can find something for pretty cheap. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe because I am already working on some more springtime Easter DIYs to share. I truly appreciate you watching this all the way through. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.